T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. All three engines up and burning. 2, 1, 0.
All right, this is my 2003 Ford F150 Harley Davidson. Picked this up about a month ago in December. It's got roughly 54,000 miles on it. It's soaking wet because I just took it to Walmart to get some brake fluid, so we can do a brake fluid flush on it. Since I've got it, I've replaced all the bulbs. I've did the upper ball joints. Did some work on the interior. Let's see. I replaced the struts on the bed cover that it's got. Installed a bed rug. And I did some other work on it here and there. Checked the rear differential fluid. It's been pretty well kept up. There's a couple chips here and there, and it, it's been driven, but on the whole, it's in really nice shape. We'll do more with it as we go. Obviously, I want to, spend some time with it before I figure out what kind of performance upgrades and what else it might need, but I'm pretty happy with it. I was looking for a Lightning and found out you could basically get the same thing, but with 4 doors. So I said, sign me up, and here we are, since 1903.
Hey everybody, how you doing? I got a short one for you here. I installed a custom Pioneer head unit in my F150 Harley Davidson a little bit ago, and driving around, the screen was just way too shiny, a lot of reflections off it, so I wanted to get something to help fix with that. I got this screen protector. It says it's silk finish. They had 3 kinds, a gloss, silk being the middle one, and then a full matte. The matte one supposedly caused some issues with this green image, according to some reviews I read. So I'm gonna try this one out. Follow me along the install. Let's see how it goes. Oh, geez. That's not very stable. Okay. Application toolkit. And it looks like 2 screen protectors. Adhesive side, surface side. Okay, so it's got all like. There's a little button down here. I'm gonna try to line up. Like that. I think. Let's go get a flashlight. Alright. That should be helpful. See all the fingerprints all over it too. Micro Fibre cleaning cloth. Okay. Pre-application. Sure. Sure. Yep. I don't think we need 2 of those. Screen protector alignment tab. Okay. 2 of those too. I guess that makes sense. Got 2 screen protectors. Oh, no, I got 3 of those. 3 and 4. Okay. Well, alright. I guess you need a lot of those. So. Oh. Put that away later. Guessing step 1 doesn't have any steps. Step 1, we're going to clean this. mess up. Hit it with a little invisible glass. And one of these paper towels. It's a nice unit, fit in here really well. I didn't have to do any cutting on my dash like everybody said you have to do, which was good because I didn't want to cut my dash. There's a bunch of stuff on this. Like I said, I just installed it, so apparently it's still got some kind of adhesive or something from the factory protections. Anyway, this is a single DIN chassis with a double DIN screen, so it fits in here without having to cut into the dash. And then I printed these edge pieces, to filler pieces, I guess you'd call them, to make it look nice. They're pretty basic. I tried to look for something, but nobody made anything like that, so I just made a file real quick and made my own. That still looks pretty terrible. I think you want to make sure this is as clean as possible. Probably why they give you all the lint removal stickers and everything. You really don't want a bunch of stuff trapped underneath your screen protector. I think it's going to take away from the ambiance. And you know, you want your truck to look good. Taking your wife to lunch or whatever. You don't want her to be embarrassed to get in your pickup truck. Alright, should be good. Let's hit with this pre-application dust remover. Yeah, there's dust all over it. Let's just get them off. I don't really know how to do this. Yeah, I guess. And then surface side, we'll leave that on. I'm guessing we want to screen protector alignment tab. Okay. I don't really know how you're supposed to use these. I'm just going to step on here. You hear my 3D printer in the background. It's going nuts. Okay, that should work. And then we're going to peel this adhesive off. Make sure you don't touch this on anything, or you're done. Like I said, you got this spot to line it up there. I guess I'm going to just, yep, that looked like that worked. That little tool they gave me. Some bubbles. Oh. I'm trying to get the bubbles out though. Guess I'm just gonna slowly lay it down while I squeegee out these bubbles. I don't want bubbles under there. This was supposed to be a short video. I'll edit it down. Fast forward to all this. You won't have to hear me rambling on the whole time. It'll be fine. Okay. And I guess there's probably a
bubble there. Got it. Okay, and that's that.